Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money or crypto to your eToro account. And the first thing that you need to know is you need to verify your account because they need your payment details and you can't do that without your details. So first of all, what we're going to do is click on verify your account and make sure that you complete all these steps right here. And then after that, you can deposit money. Then what you need to do after that is we go right here to our wallet, and this is the place where we can add funds. So if you want to add funds, we click right here on add funds to US dollars. And then if you click on this, you can fill in right here how much you want to add. So let's add right here 1k euros. Select right here the payment, how you want to deposit money. And then we can click on continue. And then you can do the complete payment. And then after that, you deposited money to your account. So that is what you need to know. And this is the place where you need to be to deposit money to your eToro account. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.